Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can set a date format in your Smartsheet. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see now, simply we have to open the sheet, and after opening the sheet, we have to choose the cell that where we want to insert a date format. For example, I want to insert a date format in this sheet, in this cell, and after that, as you can see, what we have to do simply we need to click on the more option, and after clicking on the more option, as you can see, you will able to see the first option here, which is called the date format. And as you can see, now you need to choose that which date format you want to use, this one or this one. As you can see, these all are provided here. For example, I want to use this one, so let's click on this. As you can see, now it will be inserted here. So in this way you can insert this. For example, I'm going to click on this. As you can see, now let's choose this, and as you can see, now this one is also provided here. If you want in this format, you can also do that. If you want in this format, you can also do that. So it's up to you that which date format you want to insert. So if you want to apply a function here, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to write the today here, and let's close this. As you can see, now there is here, and now I'm going to increase the size of this. So in this way you can change your date format on Smartsheet account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.